What's the way, YouTube? It's your boy Tarek, and I'm back with another video with STA. What's good? Hey, we got a brand new concept with STA. First time being done. We got the blind dating based off Office. You feel me? They put that shit on. I don't know. What y'all think? What y'all think? You feel me? We finna get straight to the video. I need a guy and a girl randomly to come play rock paper scissors in the back. Right here. Don't come out. Right here. You play rock paper scissors right here, and you right here. Give me your hands. Rock paper scissors. We're going to shoot. Okay? Rock paper scissors shoot. Go again. Go again. Rock paper scissors shoot. Okay. One for the boys. Okay, ready? One more. Rock paper scissors shoot. Oh damn. Okay, one for the girls, one piece. Okay, next one wins. Ready? 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 Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, she whooped your ass. All right. You want the guys to go first or you go first? Want the girls to go first? I'm finna get straight to the video right now, man. Step one out. Girl, you gotta walk around. It's all good. Who we here with?
That's it. I ain't walking around nothing.
Who we here with?
Huh?
Who we here with?
I'm Sway Lynn.
Okay. What you do? Where you from?
I'm from St. Louis, duh.
You ready to talk some shit?
And I'm a dancer. Yeah, I'm ready to talk some shit.
All right, so first one, to go down the line, rate the guy's outfit from 1 through 10. You feel me?
Okay.
Right here.
So we gonna start right here. I give this fit right here 8 out of 10.
Okay.
The bag cool for sure.
Keep your head up, bro.
Yeah, keep your head up, Stink.
I heard.
Outfit number 2, he cool. Let me go ahead and give you an 8 out of 10.
Okay.
I get this fit right here. You can get a 7.5.
Okay, make a little back fit. All right.
Okay, 10 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10 for effort.
we right here with it.
I like y'all watching your bag. I don't too much like your shoes, but I give you an 8 out of 10.
So your shoes, them custom forces.
That's the problem right there. You said it. Go on it.
We right here with it.
7 out of 10.
Okay.
Turn around for me. Last one, yeah. Go ahead. I give you an 8 out of 10 too.
It's made the whole 360. All right, so what you gotta do, you gotta pick who think got the best fit. Who you wanna match up with.
Who got the best fit?
Who you wanna match up with, who you wanna leave with, that shit.
Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Come on, man. 3, 2.
Last one. The last one.
Out here. All right, come on, step down here real quick. All right, bro. You could come close to the curtain so you can look at her real quick, bro. Back up, look at her.
I already know who this is.
You think you wanna match up with her? Yes, no. What's up, man? What you doing?
Hey, this gang already know who this is. Wait, look, I know who I want already, so that's a no.
Alright, so sadly you're out, but hold on. No, wait. You know the guys, walk by the curtains real quick. Any of y'all wanna match up with her real quick, y'all? None of y'all wanna match up with her? No?
Yeah, I'll match up with her.
You wanna match up with her? Oh, come here. You gotta walk around here, Yeah, I'll match up with her. Fuck it.
I know that shit. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll match up with her. You accept though.
Hold down. Do you accept the match?
I do.
Perfect. I just want to make you feel. Alright, okay, first match, step it up. Alright, now we're on the guy's side. We're gonna go right here.
Yeah, I'm going.
We're gonna go right here. No, walk that way, bro. Walk that way. Alright, quiet down, ladies. Alright, who here, man?
Big Boss Ty, man. What it is, man?
What you be doing, bro?
So the biggest parties in St. Louis, man. We St. Louis with it, man. We bring this shit to the trenches, man. Do this shit for the trenches, you know?
Alright, so what guy be doing is, bro, walk down the line. You feel me? Gonna rate the outfits. 1 through 10. If you don't like something you see, talk about it.
Alright.
Come on. We're gonna start right here.
Alright.
What you think? You could ask for a 360, all that.
360, yeah, for sure.
Okay.
That's slight.
Keep going.
All right. Damn, I want to see your face so bad.
Not the face, that's the outfit, man. What's up?
All right. 360. Hold on. Hey. The leg must have kicked in, huh?
I'm telling you. All right, we go right here.
All right, we right here with it. Ooh, yeah, I need a 360 for sure. Ooh, hold on. 360. No, I need one. What y'all got me?
The camera right there, bro.
I'm drunk as fuck. All right. Stop playing. All right, she look good. I'm fucking with it.
Okay.
360. Okay. Fuck with the fit. She look nice. Red's giving grown.
Smash
giving
it
grown. Smash for sure.
Nice shit.
For sure.
Nice shit.
Come on now.
Nice shit.
Come on now. Okay. Classy right here. Blue. Heels on. Nails done. 360. 360. That's a smash too.
smash.
Yeah, that's a smash for sure.
Right here with it, man. Ooh.
Okay. Whoa. She got the kisses on the. Okay.
Yeah, you can't go too far.
Yep. 360.
360.
That look good for right now. Toes done. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. I'm fucking with it.
Right here with it.
Okay. 360. 360.
This man done made a whole lot spin around. This man want to see everything.
I had to.
All right, man. Right.
I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I already know who I want though. I already know who I want.
Who you
though.
want?
I already know. Can I pick two? Can I pick two?
If they're going with
I'm
it,
saying
if
the
they're
two.
going
These
with it,
these the two that look better to me.
they're
To
going
me,
with
you
it,
hear
we
me?
live with 5 of them.
Where she go? Where she go? Where she go? Cause I want this one right here. I want her right and right here.
So right here.
Yeah, right here.
So ladies,
Can I do this?
he trying to pick both y'all.
Okay.
So y'all can look at his outfit, you know.
This outfit?
Don't, hey! Hey!
Don't cheat.
He
The fit.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see the shot.
Damn.
Okay.
Hey.
Y'all go? Yeah?
we
You accept? You accept? Yes or no?
She cool with it. She like, I don't like it. He could get her.
Damn, you ain't fucking with it?
I ain't fucking with it.
Come on, 3.
Alright, we gonna say yeah. We
Alright,
gonna
walk
say
around
yeah.
this
We
way.
gonna come around.
Walk around that way. Walk around that way. Alright. We're right here, bro. What you think, man? You accepting?
Yeah, I'm fucking with it. We a mess. What's up? We fucking with it. What we doing? What we doing?
Walk out there, my boy. Go ahead. That way with it. That way with it. You need this big one, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, where we at, y'all? We on the girl side with it? You feel me? We're gonna go Miss Thickums right here. Can you walk around real quick? Yeah, down this side. Come on. Hey, who we here with?
Nick,
What you be doing, Nick?
I be skating and
Skating?
yeah, skating and reading.
Okay, we like that. Okay. So, you know what? I'm not gonna have you walk down the line and do all that stuff. So walk down, look at who got the best fit, let's pick who you want. How about that? Who you feel gonna leave with? Come on. Do a quick scan, you feel me? Just walk down. Just walk down. You go, where you going?
I looked at them all. I looked at them. I think
Niggas got a watch on. How's it? Come on, man. 3,
watches don't really do it for
2, 1. Pick somebody.
this one.
Her?
Yeah.
Okay, who we here with, man? What's your name?
Oh, what's this Kevo right here?
Kevo, all right, man. She picking you. You feel me? So you can look at her fit real quick. Her fit.
I'm fuck with the fit. I'm fuck with the fit.
Let me see your fit.
There's something calm right here. There's something calm right there.
Okay, so you want to match up with her?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, walk around this way, my boy. Damn. You stay right here. All right. How y'all feeling? How you feeling about your match? Look good? Face-wise? Yeah?
Keep it a bean.
Keep it a bed.
Can I do it? Can I get a redo?
Listen, you don't like his face? Y'all gonna start that shit up behind the scenes because y'all already matched up, so get out of here.
That's fine.
It's okay, y'all. Y'all go kiss some makeup later. Alright, y'all, we back with it right now. You feel me? Back on the boys' side, you feel me? Who wanna go with boys' sides? That's the ball foul. Who's that? Okay, who here with? Come around, man.
Man, y'all already know what it is. It's _.brand0 Big Brando PCE shit. We work with Ty all the time, so tap into that YouTube channel. It's a lot of shit still coming.
Let's get it.
He got me here with this little rate the outfit shit. So, what you want me to do? You want me to walk down, rate
Down
the?
the line, rate the fits 1 through 10 type
You know,
shit.
I like the aesthetic. I ain't gonna lie to you.
360, you feel?
Yeah, can I have a little 360 shorty? Okay. All right. I like the little back tattoo, little hair.
Okay.
I like the aesthetic. I'm gonna give it like a 7.9 for real. I fuck with it for real. I fuck with the camo. We got the same camo on the slits. Y'all see what it is. But no, it's cute. I fuck with the 12s. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 7.9 too. I fuck with it for sure. How you doing, baby? Great. Okay, I like that. Can I get a little 360 real quick? Your nails cute, by the way. A little black. Why you choose black today?
It's my signature color.
It's your signature. Oh, what you say?
It's my signature color.
Type shit. I'm gonna give it a 7. Yeah, I'm gonna give. You didn't really put too much effort into it. I ain't gonna lie. Right. So I'm gonna have to give you like, just cause you ain't do no effort, like a 6. Okay. But I'm pretty sure you cool as fuck though. How you doing today?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good.
All right, type shit. I fuck with the aesthetic. I ain't gonna lie to you. The little boots, the little Rockstar boots and shit, for sure. Little leather thing going on. I'll get a 7.9 too. I'ma fuck with it. Now this right here, I ain't gonna lie to you, Big Mama. What's up, baby? How you doing?
Hey.
What's your name? Nay. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The toes fire, the skirt fire, the purse fire, and the jacket fire. You understand what I'm saying? Bitch a 10. All right, excuse my language, but you a 10, baby. On hood. How you doing? For sure. I like your little skin. For sure, I definitely do. How you doing? What's your name?
My name Willow.
Willow?
Yeah.
Type shit. Little black. Everybody choosing black today. Why ain't nobody choose no different colors than black? Hey, everybody goddamn favorite color in this motherfucker. Goddamn.
Black and red.
But I'm gonna give it a 7 flat. 7 flat. I'm gonna fuck with it.
Alright, bro. So who you think got the best fit? Who you trying to leave?
Best fit, if I gotta be honest, who I'm trying to leave, I'm gonna say this one right here. Right here.
Okay. Alright, what's your name, shawty?
Nay.
Okay, Nay. So you want to like look
I'll
at his
get
fit real
closer.
quick.
I'll get closer. Let you see.
Yeah, look at his fit real quick.
Your bag. Slip. Oh, wait. Her main belt as well too. Polo drawers.
Okay.
Yeah, you get that shit on.
For sure.
So you accepted the match? Nay.
I tell you.
6'2.5", baby.
I guess.
Alright, walk around this way. Come on.
I get it. We gonna see how she.
We gonna see.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Ooh, come on
Wait.
in. Come on in.
Outfit, yeah. Outfit, yeah.
Oh yeah. Y'all like y'all matching? Alright.
Outfit, yeah.
Off the outfit.
Yeah.
Alright, walk out. Hey. Alright, no, we on the girls' side, you feel me? Go walk down. Go shorty right here. Walk around. Hey. Who we here with?
Willow.
Alright, what you be doing, Willow?
Chilling. Making money.
Okay, where they can find you on Instagram, whatever. What's up?
My Instagram is love4willow. WILLOW.
I got a bunch of guys over here, you feel me? What you want you to do? Just walk down the line real quick, rate the outfit, let's pick one. What do you think I
Alright.
fit for you?
First outfit, I give it a cool. He got the tats and shit. I don't know. I give it a cool. 8. It's still like some chill shit.
Alright.
I give his fit a cool 7.
Okay.
Him, Mr. Army Man. You really in the Army or you just got this song?
My job doesn't allow me to tell you, but you obviously can see that, you know, I can't.
Job, baby. He's in it.
Okay, so you're a working man. So I say I'll give your fit an 8. It's 8, my boy.
Alright.
I like blue.
Okay.
I fuck with it.
Okay.
Get a 8.
Okay.
His shit cool. I don't know. It look like some chill shit. Like he just.
Yeah, he's chilling.
Yeah, like me too. I'm chilling too. I get his shit like I don't know, 7.5. Cause he chilling. I like his tattoos. And I like his custom. Is them bait? Your shoes? Yeah, them bait. I give your shit a 9. Cause I like your shoes. And I like your shirt.
Hold on, go on.
I don't know who the fuck that is, but he's not functioning at all.
Alright, so you ready to fist, you feel me? What I want you to do now is like pick who you want to leave with that shit.
I like Bape shoes at the end, cause
Which one?
Bape shoes.
Babe shoes?
Forces.
Forces? Come on, sit down.
Bape forces.
Alright, who we here with, man?
Say my name.
Yeah.
I'm Clay.
Alright, man, I want to look at her fit real quick. She said she wanted to give it for you, man. Look at her fit real quick.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Okay. But you got some ass? Let me see that. Okay, that motherfucker. Come on. Nah, let me chill out. Nah, hey, I ain't gonna fake it though. I'm cool. I ain't gonna lie.
All right.
I ain't even on no disrespect with you. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? If it based off outfit shit, I'm cool. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. So any of the other guys want to match up with her?
I'm cool. I'm past.
Willow, Sally, ain't nobody picked you, feel me, but where can they follow you at, man? Seriously.
Instagram at Love4Willow, all platforms.
Alright, go check her out, that shit.
Yep.
Back to the guys, so you feel me? So you just rejected my boy. Who we here with, man?
Yeah, we here with Clay.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
So you feel me? I ain't gonna let you walk down, man. Let's walk down to who
Walk
you
down.
Want. Who you think you got the best fit? You know, ask her she wanna leave you.
So, do I rate their fits as well?
If you wanna do that, go ahead.
Let me rate their fit. I like this fit. How you doing?
Hi.
Yeah, I like this fit. I'm gonna give that I'm gonna get an 8.5 on my mind, like the little gummy bear on me.
Okay.
On me. I'm gonna get it about a 7 on me. But it's cool though. I fuck with that motherfucker on me. 7, let me see. On me, this 8. I say 8. Cause I fuck with that bitch, dog. I fuck with that. This bitch hard. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch hard though. 9.
Perfect.
On me, it matches shit. Okay. I'll get it like. What you going for? Like,
I can
what's
go
the
all,
vibes?
like a little sexy punk rock.
Little sexy, little tight shit. All right, if you going for that, I'm gonna give you a 9.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a 9.
Who you think you wanna leave with, bro?
Man, I ain't gonna lie. So we let me see. Let me
Best
scoop
fit
back.
today. It's off outfit. Just off outfit.
Off of what I would go for?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go right here.
Right here. Alright, who we here with?
Mari.
Okay, so you wanna match up with you, Mari? Look at his fit real quick, you feel me?
I'm saying something cool, something, you know. My bad, I'm all good.
It's cool.
Wanna match up with him?
That's fine.
I walk around this way. You laughing? Okay. You happy with your man?
Yeah.
You happy with your man?
I'm having my match.
Alright, man, y'all walk out together, man. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is the slow-mo part.
Go ahead.
Right now I'm steady close as fuck. Been popping out, I just
Okay, we're back on the girls' side, you feel me? Who wanna go? Come around, gang. Who we here with?
Breezy Bree and this bitch.
Alright, gang. So you feel me? Go down the line, rate the outfit 1 through 10 type shit. Then pick who you think got the best fit.
I bet.
Talk that shit.
Good little 7 out of 10.
Okay.
All right, cool. I'm gonna give you a little 4 out of 10.
4? Wow.
Yeah, them motherfuckers creasing. Just get a new pair. You'll be cool. I ain't gonna fake it. Just start wearing a bitch. Them motherfuckers overrated. Like they just, just take the bitches off. But it's still love on God. I fuck with the shirt. The shirt hard.
You say what, bro?
Hey, never mind. I don't go ahead and go.
We out here with it.
I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10 because you going. extra hard than them. I know. Working extra hard. I fuck with that. 8 out of 10.
Damn.
It's cool, like, you know.
Why didn't you get a 10?
A 10?
Yeah, what's wrong with
I
10?
mean, it's decent.
Yeah.
It's decent, but like, you know.
Keep it going. Just keep go ahead and move to the next.
My bad game, you know.
I'm gonna have to bring yo.
Damn, y'all be in y'all fifties. Okay. 9 out of 10.
9?
Yeah,
Okay, that's your
9.
speed. Okay, right here with it.
8.5. 8.5. Look, 8.5.
Alright, so my question is now, who you want to leave with? Who you think you want to leave with?
We're gonna go with the Nike socks.
Nike socks? Nike socks. Right here, come and walk down. Alright, what's something about who we're here with?
Jay.
Jay, alright, man, check her fit out. She trying to leave with you, man. Let me find out if you're trying to match up with her. Give him a 360 or something. Let's see what she's looking like.
Lift the skirt up a little bit. Can I grab it? I'm good.
You good? Alright, my boy said he ain't trying to leave with you, man. So, any of the other guys want to match up with her? No?
Not too mad because your shoes creasing. It's okay though.
Alright, gang. Sorry, sadly nobody picked him, man. You feel me? Show your Instagram out. Walk up.
Breezy Bree. Underscore Breezy Bree underscore.
Tight shit. Alright, well, we're back on the guy's side. You feel me? Come around, then. Come around, gang. We want to go. Alright, who we here with?
KB 2 times, man.
What's up, man? So,
Only got 3 options.
we only got 3 options right now.
I can steal? Can I steal
I was
from the
just gonna say
crowd?
that. You can steal from the crowd.
I think I might have to do it. Come on,
Straight to the crowd?
No. Should I go straight to the crowd?
I want you to rate the fits with
Let me rate the fist. Can I see your hand, Miss Mel? Get 360 right quick. Okay, I see the little back tag.
She doing something.
Okay, that's cool. 8 out of 10. That's
Okay, we right here with it.
Let me see. Go ahead and do a 360. In the jeans, though? Oh, man. That's 8 out of 10. That's 8 out of 10.
Okay.
360. Oh, what's your back tattoo say?
Made of art.
Made of art. Okay. Get an 8 out of 10.
Okay. But you say you want to pick from the crowd.
Yeah, I do.
Want to steal something.
Yeah.
Let's go do it, my boy. What you going? I'm walking.
Hey, Ty. I'm sorry, bruh. I'm sorry. But I'm stealing one from yours. I ain't gonna lie.
Which one?
I ain't gonna lie.
Walk down. Which one is it?
Come here, Sid. Where your 2 at?
My 2 right here.
Wait, what?
What you doing?
I'm gonna have to steal this one.
Is she gone though?
He gonna let me go?
I mean,
Hey,
look, if she choosing, hey, I can't do nothing. That's why I can't do her.
I mean, who the winning team? Who the winning team?
Hey, look, if she choosing, look.
I mean, I like to be a one-man clan. So,
she jumping
No, I don't want it. I don't want
I like to be a one-man clan.
But look, I don't want a one-man clan.
Don't be whispering about me.
I don't want a one-man clan.
What else you want to do, mama?
I want this one. This one. She ain't even in the video. I want this one.
You know you got mistake. I'm gonna stick and I'm gonna stick beside you.
No, come on. This.
Wait, they trying to do two.
Alright.
She nervous.
So she's shy, but he got 2 matches.
I got 2
Where can they fight you at, bro?
Yeah. See, no. I gotta have one.
You can't what?
I don't share. He can't have to.
Oh man, so I gotta pick. No.
He trying to take my bitch, y'all. That shit was not gonna go. Blondie is me. Dirty blind me.
I just said I'm a one-man clan and he gonna do a double up.
It's right here. It's one. Y'all the match. Walk out type shit. Alright, we're back on the girls' side, you feel me? Who want to go on the girls' side? Come around, Shawty. Alright, who we here with?
Ray,
Okay, Ray, what you been doing? Where can they find you at?
be grinding, get my money.
Tight shit. First, we're gonna walk down the line of the guys, you feel me? Smash or pass, rate the fits, talk your shit. We're right here with it.
Are you actually in the army or you in the
It's
army?
not a fake uniform.
It's not fake? Okay. I'm gonna do like a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Because you serve our country.
I think that's what I read the fit. Right here.
I'm gonna
do like a 6 out of 10. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do, I don't know,
What's up?
probably like a 3.
A 3?
A 3 out of 10.
Why?
I don't know. It ain't given. It's not given to me. It's not given to me.
Alright, we right here with it.
Just basic, but it's kind of cool. I say like a 6.
Okay.
I say like 8 out of 10.
Okay.
8 and 7.
7.
Yeah.
Alright, who you trying to leave with?
I'm gonna say this one right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Alright, who we here with, man?
Hey, it's your boy 2AB John.
Man, wanna look at her freak real quick? She trying to leave with you, man. Come close so you can see her outfit.
Can I get a 360? Look, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna have to pass. I'm gonna have to pass on that for real. Yeah.
Any other guys want to match up with her?
Shit. No.
Come close so you can see it. Come close so you can see it. Any other guys want to match up?
I know who I want for.
I'll match up.
Don't match up. Around, man. Okay, he said he want to match up with. Ooh, she got shit. Alright, so we want to match up with you. I said a match.
Yeah, I'm.
Alright, walk out. Get out of here. Alright, shit. We here with you, my boy. Come on. Who we here with?
Sergeant Riley.
Oh my God, y'all heard my name, bro.
Yeah,
We got 2 options right now, bro. But you can steal from the crowd.
That's cool because the 2 options, I wanted one of them anyway. So I'm glad she ain't get taken, you know.
Mike can handle business, bro. Handle business.
I like your fit. You look good. I'm fucking with it.
Okay.
I like your fit, and I can see your body. You sexy with it.
Thank you.
You like tricks?
Tricks? Oh.
Yeah. You like niggas with money?
Considering the fact that I can make my own.
That's cool.
That's cool.
You can make your own money, but you ain't gotta spend it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, okay. Okay, type shit.
Type shit. I serve this country. I can serve you better.
Oh, that was smooth. Okay, smooth criminal.
Yeah. So what's it gonna be? A yes or a no?
Cause it said depend on fit. Why you ain't put that shit on?
This is that shit. They wanted something with motion. This fit got more motion than anybody in this motion.
You know what? You're right. I fuck with it.
I'm trying to be a little different. You know.
Me too. I got on a little outfit.
I like it. I'm fucking with it.
So you accepting the match?
I kind of want to see the other ones though.
Hey, shoot, go ahead, do your thing. So it's a no?
It's gonna be a no for now.
All right, cool.
You want to match up with him?
No, thank you.
Damn.
She got her phone out.
Where can they find you, man? Instagram, whatever.
Oh, my Instagram is LUH__Boosie. Lil Boosie, you know.
Go follow my boy, ladies.
For sure.
Boy, right on, gang, right on. Alright, now which one of y'all two want to go, ladies? Come around. You wanted to see everybody else. Come around. Come around. Alright, who we here with?
Zaria, or I'm known as Chocolate CHE. Hold on. Fucked up. Don't know my Instagram name. It's gonna be in the end. It don't even matter. But
shit.
yeah.
We got 1, 2, 3 guys over here.
Okay.
When you walk down, rate the fit, and then pick who you think are the best fit, match up with type shit.
Okay.
Come on, we start right here.
Okay, I like your fit. Okay, type shit. And you got the little hand in the pocket. Okay, swag.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
Okay.
You look good.
Okay. Right here.
Now, it's giving Tiki Land, bikini bottom type, but it's comfortable type shit.
What that mean?
SpongeBob. You ain't seen SpongeBob? The little surf island. If you know, you know. But okay.
You don't know I got this shit on. What you talking about?
Yeah.
Rate the fit.
Yeah.
1 to 10.
I'm gonna give you a 6.5.
Okay. Be right here with it.
Oh, I like this.
Okay.
I like this.
1 to 10.
I'm gonna give you a 10.
Okay.
Perfect.
It sounds like you want to match up with him.
Yeah, I like this.
Want to match with him?
How you feel about me though?
Yeah, no, we gonna ask him next.
Look, man, it's your boy 2AV John again, man. Look, no disrespect again. I'm gonna have to pass. I'm gonna have to pass for sure. But like, hey, no disrespect to you. You know, you valid or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna have to pass though.
Alright. So, any of the other two guys want to match up with her that's in the line?
I'll take him.
Want to come around, gang? So, you said she want to match up with you, man. You think you can handle all that?
Can you handle me as a cushion?
What you mean I can handle you?
Man, sure you could handle all that. What you talking about?
That's a Big Count TV, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay. Okay, I don't discriminate, of course. We matching for sure.
Go ahead.
Fridges me, I'm around and straight that bitch get left at the leg.
Alright, so we got the last two guys. Could y'all please come around real quick? Man, I swear, man, we're
What's the word? It's your boy Jay from STL, the freshest, smoothest nigga in STL.
Alright.
They left the best for last.
Introduce yourself, y'all gonna go get that shit.
Oh, we going together?
Introduce yourself that shit.
Hey, it's your boy 2AV John. Hey, and look, I'm going off of what bro picked. Look, I'ma just reject whatever is still left in the lineup, but I'ma let him have it. Like this your game.
You can fuck around going to 2, man. You trying to steal some shit?
Let's steal. Come on. Hey, KB. Hey, I'm coming to steal. Todd, KB, I'm coming.
What you want? Where the matches at?
You wasn't in. You wasn't in.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hey, unfortunately, 2AV John, I did not find my match this round. Oh, yeah. I did not find my match this round. But look, man, follow me on Instagram on all social medias, 2AV John, number 2, Wavy John _. Hey, check it out, man. For real.
Hey man, look, it's been about tired, man. I tried to do this video in St. Louis. Listen, I know it's very hectic. St. Louis is very, very hectic, but I tried. I think I did it for y'all. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try my best to edit this video as best as I can for y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in another one. We out.